In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move products around on Shopify. This process can be a real game changer for your online store, helping you to organize your inventory, improve the shopping experience for your customers, and potentially increase your sales. We'll break down the steps in a straightforward manner, ensuring you can follow along with ease, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. First, let's begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is the heart of your store's operations and where you'll make all your changes. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Products section located on the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll see a list of all the products currently available in your store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this view, as it's where the majority of your product management will take place. Next, we're going to organize these products within a collection. Collections are a fantastic way to group items, making it easier for customers to browse and for you to maintain inventory. Click on Collections under the Products menu. Here, you can either create a new collection or select an existing one. For our example, let's assume you're working with an existing collection. Now, once inside the selected collection, you have the opportunity to rearrange the products. To do this, find and click on the Sort drop-down menu. By default, Shopify sorts by best-selling items, but you have the option to change this. For manual control, select Manually from the drop-down options. This selection will allow you to drag and drop products in any order you choose. Simply click and hold the product that you want to move, then drag it to your desired position. One great tip while you're rearranging is to think about the layout from your customer's perspective. Putting your best-selling items or trendiest products at the top can catch your visitors' eye and could lead to higher conversion rates. Similarly, if you're running a sale, having those products prominently displayed might encourage more clicks. After you've organized everything to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. It might sound simple, but it's easy to overlook. Look for the Save button, typically located near the top or bottom of the page, and give it a click to ensure your hard work isn't lost. Finally, test the changes on your storefront. Head over to the live view of your website and take a scroll through the collection you've modified. Make sure everything looks just as you want it to. Sometimes, seeing it in the customer view can inspire further tweaks or adjustments. And there you have it, a concise guide on how to move products around on Shopify. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to efficiently organize your products and enhance your online store's layout. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.